how to confirm email on Scratch. So if you want to confirm email on your Scratch, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to just simply go with search on your browser and then search for Scratch. Now go with Scratch official website, and I need to go with the top right, make sure that you have logged into your account. And here under this reminder section, you may have an option to confirm your email. But if you don't find the confirmation, then you just need something to go with your profile, go with the account settings, and under the account settings, you will have the email section. Click on email, and here you will have the verification option. So go with change email, enter the email address, a new email address. After that, you need to retype your password and click on change email. Afterwards, go to the Scratch website once again and click on confirm email. Or you may get a confirmation message on your mail. You can open up your mail and you may find the confirmation message from Scratch. Once you get that message, you need to go with confirm my account, and that's it, or confirm my email. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.